You believe you control your salary and your savings. You decide how much money to save, when to take a loan, when to buy a house, when to change a job. But the truth is, you are not making most of these decisions yourself. These decisions have already been narrowed down by a system that silently controls the most important financial decisions of your life. In this video, we will talk about central banks and the systems that shape your life without telling you. Whenever people hear the term central bank, they think it probably just prints money. But the role of a central bank is far bigger than printing currency. Central banks are the most powerful financial institutions in the world. The central bank is the financial brain of a country. In the United States, it is the Federal Reserve. In the United Kingdom, the Bank of England. In Europe, the ECB. Their job is not only to keep the economy stable, they also decide who gets to earn more and who struggles. In every country, the system is similar. USA, UK, Canada. Interest rates, inflation, quantitative easing, all of these have a direct impact on the daily lives of citizens. The main functions of central banks are controlling inflation, regulating the money supply, keeping the banking system stable, but these decisions are not made only for the public. When a central bank raises interest rates, home loans become expensive, business loans slow down, hiring decreases, jobs become unstable, and when interest rates are low, people borrow more, companies take more risks, property prices rise. You think the market is moving this way, but it is not the market, it is the system. Your decisions are not free, they bend according to interest rates. Inflation is usually explained in simple terms. Prices go up, but inflation is actually silent theft. If your money is sitting in a bank, inflation is 6% and the bank pays you 2% interest. You are losing 4% every year without noticing. Central banks say little inflation is healthy, but healthy for whom? For governments, debt becomes lighter. For corporations, higher prices mean higher profits. For banks, more lending opportunities. And ordinary people, their money slowly loses value. They work harder, but their purchasing power keeps falling behind. In today's world, your character is not more important than you. Your credit score is. If your score is good, loans are cheaper, opportunities are better. If your score is bad, loans are expensive. Sometimes you do not get a loan at all. The system says, this is fair. But the truth is, this system teaches you to fear taking risks. If you do not follow the system's rules, the system punishes you, and that punishment is legal, normal, accepted. Now comes the most important part. Corporations understand the system. Ordinary people do not. Companies understand interest rate cycles, inflation behavior, policy changes. That is why they take cheap loans at the right time. They raise prices on time. They shift risk onto ordinary people. You struggle with rising costs. Companies announce record profits. This is not a coincidence. It is the result of system design. The most common question is all of this intentionally designed to control people? The answer is simple. This system was not built for people. It was built to keep the system stable. If the system is stable, even if people struggle, the system is considered successful. And as long as the system does not crash, no one changes it. You are not a victim. You are not a villain. You are simply a participant. Understanding this system will not make you rich instantly, but it will protect you from being ignorant. Knowledge does not break the system, but it allows you to make better decisions. In today's world, the most expensive thing is not money, it is understanding. If you understand the system will not surprise you. On this channel, we will keep breaking down systems like these. Systems that look normal, but are not normal. Because until you know the rules, you cannot win the game.